Let's learn 15 birds' names. Repeat after me. Crow, कौवा, sparrow, गौरैया, pigeon, कबूतर, parrot, तोता, peacock, मोर, मैना, मैना, cuckoo, कोयल, dove, फाख्ता, बुलबुल, बुलबुल, eagle, चील, owl, उल्लू, duck, बत्तख, hen, मुर्गी, cock, मुर्गा, vulture, गिद्ध. Great job. Practice these bird names every day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next lesson.